Welcome back to my channel. Today we have 3 mystery bags from Ofra. Now I'm a little late to the party because I've seen these posted for like a month now, but I decided to get them anyway, and I got 3, knowing good and well some things are going to be the same, some things are going to be different, but I wanted to compare. So I got 3 bags, and some of the stuff I'm going to have duplicates of. They're probably going to go into the summer giveaway. Some of us probably going to go to friends. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and get into it and see what these bags have inside. Now, these did come with this right here. This came with a set of wipes, which I'm always going to use. So happy about that. But let's go ahead and see what bag number 1 has. And these are really sturdy quality bags too. I don't need 3, so one of these are for sure going to go into the summer giveaway. So, yeah. Alright, bag number 1 has cleansing wipes. Always good for that. Has makeup fixer. Now, I've had this before. I love this. I'm happy I'm getting more because you can never have too much of a setting spray. So happy I have got another one. And then we have a lipstick, and this is Santa Monica, and that is that color right there. And I believe these bags retailed for $35 a piece. And I mean, honestly, you're getting more than $35 worth of product. So anyways, so that is that color. I don't have that color. I love that color, so happy. And then we have pressed powder. This is banana powder. Now, I don't have a travel size, so I'm happy for a travel size. Not that I travel anywhere, but I feel like I need stuff that I don't. Okay, there is the banana powder, and I'm not swatching that because you're not going to see it on my hand anyway, but that is what that looks like. And then there is this Starlight Island highlight. That is what that one looks like. I do like that. I think I have like the full size, but I am not against having a miniature size. Oops, you can kind of see it next to the lip color. Do you see it? Alright, so that is it in bag number 1. We are moving on to bag number 2. Alright, so bag number 2 has another pack of wipes. Again, not upset about that. Always use more. And then we have a lip color, and this is a Santa Monica. That's one I already have, so this one I am passing along. More makeup fixer. I will probably be passing that one along as well. And this is another banana powder. I, again, only need 1, so passing one of those along too. And then another highlighter, and I don't need another highlighter, so passing that along. So that one was exactly the same. Very unexciting. So I actually think I'm going to put everything in that one back in, and that one's just going to go straight into the summer giveaway. Alright, so this one, this one looks exactly the same so far. So this one might just go to a friend. Yep. Exactly the same right down to the color. Everything in there is exactly the same. So that was a little disappointing because I had seen some people on there where they had slight variations, where the lip colors were different and just little things were different. But this one was not so different, and that kind of bummed me out. But that's okay because I can use the majority of these products myself. Like I said, I already put 1 bag completely aside for the summer giveaway. So yeah. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite product was inside this bag. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.